Now that we have a big lift on our EcoBoost FX4, we wanted to add an aggressive front bumper to really set off the look. ADD's stealth bumper was the exact look we're going for. Start the install by unplugging the fog light connections from the stock bumper. Then you can pop the hood and unbolt the hood latch. The bumper itself is held on by 4 bolts to the frame, 2 on each side. Unbolt these and take off the stock bumper. With the stock bumper off the truck, we then remove the splash guard, tow hooks, and the hood switch bracket from our truck's stock bumper and installed it onto the plastic valance on our truck's front end. The new ADD bumper attaches by the same 4 bolts that the stock bumper attached to. We reused the 4 bolts from our tow hooks since we no longer had use for them. Also, we zip tied the fog light connections safely out of the way since the new bumper eliminates our fog lights. Lastly, reinstall the hood switch bracket and the hood latch, and the install is complete.